Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi people, good morning. I'm Kavita and welcome to Tots and Moms. I know this is not a just normal day. Happy New Year to all of you, and yes, I wish you a prosperous and happy year ahead. Coming back to the recipe I'm making today, I took a special one for this special day, Chyawanprash, which is very vastly used in our country and especially for kids and adults who want to increase on their immunity, isn't it? So I am going to show you an easy method of making it at home. I would not claim that this is an authentic recipe, but can be made using the ingredients available in your kitchen pantry. So let's dive right in and see how to make this, and please watch it till the end because I'm going to tell you how to use it daily and what are the benefits of using Chyawanprash. So let's take a pressure cooker and these gooseberries or AMLA, which are washed ones, and put it into the pressure cooker. And now I'm adding water sufficient enough to soak these, not too much, just a cup or a cup and a half. Let us pressure cook this for about 2 whistles, not more than that because otherwise it will become too mushy. We don't want too much water to get into gooseberry to make this Chyawanprash. After it cools down, open the lid and take out the gooseberries into a bowl, removing as much as water from it. You can see that they are really well cooked, and now it is easy to remove the seeds from these gooseberries. Let it cool down. Meanwhile, we'll make the spice mixture. I'm adding pepper and dry ginger. The exact measurement of all these ingredients are given in the link of this description box. I added nutmeg followed by fennel seeds. And now this is 1 bay leaf. This is optional. We'll now add cardamom. And then some saffron strands. Let's take this and make a powder. A coarse powder is fine, as much fine as you can. Don't bother if it is a little coarse. Now in another spice jar, I am adding dry fruits. All of these are optional. Usually nuts are not added in Chyawanprash, but to make it nutritious, as it is homemade and I have an option to customize it, I am adding dry fruits just a bit and giving it a quick turn. I am making a powder, a coarse powder of this as well. It would look like this. It's fine if it is a little paste sort. Now as the gooseberries are cool, it is good time to chop it or deseed it and add it to a jar so that we can blend it to a paste further. Deseed all of them, and a little water can be added because that would be helpful to make a fine paste. Don't add too much. We don't want a very thin paste, but as much as thick. Once it is ground, you can see that this AMLA paste is all ready. We will keep it aside along with other mixtures. It is time to now make a paste of the dates we have soaked already. This is for about 10-15 minutes in warm water, or if you are doing it in cold water, it would take a bit more time. The same step here. Do not put in a lot of water. Let's blend it fine and as smooth as possible, and our dates mixture is now ready and it can be kept aside. In a pan now, I'll add ghee followed by the amla or gooseberry paste. Just give it a quick mix. Now I'm adding dates puree. If you do not wish to add dates, just double the quantity of the jaggery used. It's absolutely fine. Keep mixing it. Just like this for about 3 to 5 minutes until you see a glazy texture, a shiny glazy texture. And then we'll add some pound jaggery followed by the spice mixture we have just made. Then the dry fruit mixture, this is optional, the nuts powder. Now it's time to mix all these ingredients. Chyawanprash is just a step ahead. Now you just have to keep mixing it continuously for about 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on how much water you have added to make the paste, and by the time you see a thick mass, you will know that the Chyawanprash is ready. This is the right consistency to take it off stove and allow it to cool down completely. So after it's cooled down, you can see the thick mass which is ready, and this Chyawanprash is all ready to be served. And now it can be stored in an airtight jar for about 3 weeks and all set to be fed. Yes, as promised, wasn't that easy enough to make. You just have to buy gooseberries or amla from store, and all other ingredients are available in your pantry for sure. Yeah, so benefits. It is a great immunity booster, and that is why it is quite famous across the country, and a great ayurvedic home remedy as well. Yeah, for most of the immunity related issues, it helps you boost that, and cough, cold in winter, we say this is better to be had daily, especially for kids and adults who have less immunity. So 1 spoon a day or 2 if your kid likes it, and this would be sufficient. Don't overdo it. And if you like this recipe, do share it with many parents like you, and do not forget to click on that like button, comment and let me know how the recipe came out. Yes, you can you can increase the quantity of jaggery to sweeten it if you think your baby would like it more sweet. And subscribe to our channel. I'll keep posting more recipes like this. And again, on a happy note, Happy New Year. Bye bye.